Okay, so now I figured out what I did on the last one. That's why it didn't show up right, and I'll show you the finished part. So when you're building this, this white one goes here, but the red one goes out one, like that. And then you put this here, and this here, and this here. And when you put this on here, it will cover that area like it's supposed to. Yeah, just like that. See how that works? So, like I said, when I'm putting it together, have to pay attention to where you put the pieces because it's important. So this one goes back here, and then again, this red one that goes on top is kind of like a step up. See it? And then when you put it on the actual part where it goes, it will cover that area, because then I have to smash everything together. I love doing this, but it's kind of a little hard on the hands sometimes because you want to make sure that it's all solid. And then this piece, see, will fit right in the middle, just like that. And that's how that's supposed to look. I don't know why I had 8 of these. Oh, I know what they're for. That's cool. Okay, so now I'm going to secure these like this and this and that. And that makes the bottom part of this piece, which will also go on top on the ring. So there's 3 engines that make hyperspace possible on this model. So that's what those should look like, is like that. So again, paying attention to what your directions say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build, because I have these, and this is the bottom part of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to build the top part of it that goes on top of this, circular, and then this and that will go together on the ring. All right, so just building and building and building. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.